Hello, this is Miss H. I am making a little video for you. So this is a little introduction as to how to clean up the workspace. Since we experienced the little crash that we had where we couldn't log in, we're going to make it so that everything's nice and neat and our clips are always there when we need them. Sometimes in life this happens. And you live and you learn and you go on. So on the plus side, we've already learned how to set up a project and how to do basic editing. We have been importing different clips, so if you want to import a clip, you can go to File, then Import, and what you might find is that where you're saving the external drive, or in downloads if we can log back in, but wherever everyone is downloading is getting a little bit messy. There's already a lot of scrolling that needs to be involved, and so instead of when you look on your computer, you are going to be storing everything in devices. You will see something else. You'll see like Film 1, and it will be the external device here. In order to clean everything up, we are going to make sure you save everything. Go to the external drive. I'm going to quit Premiere Pro. And you're going to go to the external drive. I'm going to go to Downloads. And in order to keep everything nice and neat for everyone, in the external drive we're going to create student folders. So in order to do that, click on this little gear wheel thing, and the drop down, the very top thing, you'll see New Folder. Click on that and title it with your name, the class, and the hour, 1A. And for all of the clips that you are using, drag them into that folder. You will also see Premiere. Your Premiere project also drag into that folder. Take anything that you know that you are using and drag it into that folder. In this process, some people might perhaps take other people's, but know that most of the clips that we've imported so far have been from YouTube. Didn't want to say that too loud, but because that's the case, then you can just move all of that over into your folder. So then after that's done, go and launch Premiere once again. Okay, now when Premiere reloads, it's going to ask you for different files. Because we move the files, Premiere remembers where it last had them, and so you just need to tell Premiere where it's at. So, because I moved them into a folder that has my name, I'm going to open it up, and so the name will match up. Make sure the name matches up. Take your time when you do this, because if you tell it that it's someplace else, even though it has a different name, it will take the edits that you made previously and put it into the different clips, so you're going to have totally different clips. So make sure you match up the name. So here is The Muppets Bohemian Rhapsody. So I'm going to put open, and now we have everything. If you open something up and you have a red clip, it doesn't know where it's at. And if that's the case, you can exit back out and go and get it. So for example, I'll show you what that looks like. Premiere is pretty smart. So I moved a few of these that I knew that were being used, and it automatically found, when you routed one, then it found the rest of them. So it should be a pretty simple process. Now that everything is in here, including your Premiere project, simply when you start up the computer, regardless of who you're logged in as, go to only your folder and click on your Premiere project and it'll load. So once everything is accounted for, then it's time to start editing. Let me know if you have any questions.